everyone! Welcome back to my class. During my today's tutorial, I will teach you how to paint forest in watercolor style. I prepared for you lots of custom brushes, stamp brushes that will help you to paint trees easily. I know sometimes it might be a challenge, so I try to make it as easy as possible to finish your painting in a short term. And if you're ready, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and let's paint together. Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. Welcome back to my class and let's dive into forest illustration and paint all together different kinds of trees in completely different ways. At the end of my class you will learn more about Procreate and composition, especially how to use layers, clipping mask, alpha lock, selection tool, and how to add texture, volume, color variation to your picture. And most importantly, you will learn how to paint watercolor illustration in a simple way, a new painting technique. You can use the illustration you create for posting on Instagram, add it to your portfolio or sell it on Etsy, Gumroad and so on. Or just share it with someone whom you really like. I am sure they will be so happy to get an illustration that is created by you. Today I want to show you that watercolor is so simple and it's a real fun. And in the end of my class you can see it. Today I will teach you how to create texture paper, how to use stamp brushes, what is composition, how to create traditional watercolor illustration in Procreate, how to draw different kinds of trees, how to paint picture with and without reference picture, how to use my and default Procreate brushes for watercolor painting, how to apply my new watercolor technique, what are the nuances you need to know if you want to create watercolor illustration, how to use alpha lock and clipping mask, how to add texture to your artwork. I will also show you how to add shades and highlights. I will show you my whole process from the start till finish. And as a bonus, I will share with you my textured paper, 2 sets of custom watercolor and stamp brushes, color palette, sketch that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you watched my previous classes, and experienced artists. Probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to paint forest illustration. Your class project will be next. Paint a composition with trees and mountains using the tips and brushes that I gave you today. I will use Procreate for this class with iPad and Apple Pencil, so if you have it or some other drawing pads or just regular watercolor paper and paints, please join our class and good luck!